Here it comes.
Hmm? Oh, you can hear it? There it is. Oh, okay. Oh, it's a slow one.
It's a slow one.
Well, it might have been busy. See?
Oh, yeah, it was definitely busy.
Thank you. Mm-hmm. Thank you. Actually, I'll hold it. I'll hold it. Oh, thanks. Go ahead. Go ahead. Go ahead, you two.
All right.
All right, let's see what this guy got.
All right. See you.
And it's a
back. Push to call. That's push to call.
Yeah, 3. Actually, it runs pretty smooth.
Really? Oh, yeah. Huh. Oh, here we go. This is a traction, you're right.
It's slow.
Oh, wow. That was cool. And when the door opened before it got looked
Oh, yes. I love it when they do that.
I love that so much. Yep, you are an overhead traction. Man, this is actually a nice elevator. I was quite surprised.
It's too bad it got modded, but
Yeah.
this would have originally been a black button Otis.
I mean, yeah, the car definitely looks original. I'll give it that.
No, that's definitely redone.
Really?
The ceiling is original.
Yeah.
The front is original.
I mean, yeah, that's all redone.
The sides of the floor are redone.
Top fixtures look pretty much the same. Are we done, or are we?
All right, I'm going to 2.
All right.
Thank you. You guys video.
Oh,
Just
we
the
just like
elevator.
filming. We like old elevators like this one.
Oh. So you go to different old buildings and cool.
Yeah.
The ones in San Francisco.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, there's a lot there.
Yes. Well, good. It's pretty
Yes.
cool.
6.
Oh yeah, I did that.
Oh jeez. This door slams.
That's what you heard while we were waiting for it.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Forgot to get this.
Oh yeah.
Yeah, I like how it does that.
I like that original bell.
Yeah, me too. I love that so much. Alright. And I think we're here. Where's this second?
This is 2. We're going to 1.
Okay, going to 1, okay. Yep, slamming up the door.
This is very slow for an old traction.
Yeah, it is.
And for one at Valley Fair, it's much quicker.
Mm-hmm. Alright.
Got it?
Yep.
Okay. I'll show you to another one.
Okay.
Give me a second. And that's it.
Man, those doors.